Understanding the font colors displayed on the Respicardia programmer for remedy models 1001, 1100, and 1600. Understanding the font colors on the Respicardia programmer is essential. This video showcases the Respicardia programmer version 4.5.0.6. However, it's important to note that the colors remain consistent across all remedy device models 1001, and 1100 and 1600, which utilize the Respicardia programmer version 5.0.0.8. There are 4 different font colors: black, blue, red, and orange. Black font represents parameters programmed into the remedy device. Blue font represents parameters changed in the software but not yet programmed to remedy device. To set the parameter within the device, select Program and you will notice the font color change from blue to black. Red font represents value that is not able to be used. Certain combinations of parameter values are restricted as the combination results in an invalid or undesirable interaction. Such conflicts may not be programmed, and if a conflicting parameter set has been chosen, the conflicting parameter values will be displayed in red text and the program button will become inactive. An error message will be displayed in the programming window message field indicating which parameters are conflicted and the reason for the conflict. Once the parameter conflict has been resolved, the program button will be activated and you will be able to set the new parameter setting. Lastly, orange font. Orange font represents warning. Similar to the red font, the reason for the warning will be presented in the programming window box. This parameter can be programmed into the device, however, just need to be certain you want to use this value. This video demonstrated comprehension of the various font colors used on the Respicardia programmer.